Welcome to the Smart Energy series by Georgia Power. Did you know that one of the biggest factors affecting your energy bill is how much energy you use? Well, the good news is you control that. In fact, simple daily habits can cut your energy consumption by 5 to 10%. Okay, so let's go over 5 fast and easy ways to lower your energy bill right now. Number 1, seal up air leaks around pipes. Recess lighting, cupboards, and closets where air inside your home can escape. For drafty doors and windows, use caulk or weather stripping. If you want to be extra thorough, hire an expert to conduct a blower door test, which can pinpoint air leaks and show you where to add insulation for even more savings. You can find a qualified contractor through our home energy improvement program or by visiting georgiapower.com/HEIP. or by searching energy assessment contractor near you. 2, check your air filter every month, especially during the summer and winter when usage is highest. If it looks dirty, replace it immediately. Even if it doesn't, swap it out at least every 3 months. A dirty air filter forces your system to work harder, wasting energy and costing you more money. A clean filter keeps your HVAC running effectively, preventing dust buildup and avoiding costly repairs. 3, install a smart thermostat, which can help you save energy without upgrading your entire HVAC system. A smart thermostat automatically adjusts heating and cooling while you're asleep or away, so you don't have to waste energy. According to the Energy Star, a smart thermostat can save about 8% on heating and cooling costs. That's around $50 per year. 4, avoid vampire energy. Even when turned off, many devices still use energy in standing mode. This is called vampire energy. Unplug devices like TVs, computers, and chargers when you're not using them. Or, for convenience, use a power strip to switch off multiple devices at once. This small change can reduce wasted electricity and lower your bill. And finally, one of the easiest habits to save energy is simply turning off the lights when you leave the room. You gotta make it a habit until it becomes second nature. You can also install LED light bulbs to cut costs since they last longer than traditional bulbs. Small habits can add up to big savings. By following these simple energy saving habits, you can lower your costs, reduce waste, and take control of your energy use. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.